This video will demonstrate how to replace the ice shaver belt on a BiC manual fill unit. Warning: heat sinks may contain electric power even after the unit has been powered off and disconnected from power source. Use extreme caution when working near the heat sinks to prevent electrical shock. There are two different user interface screens that are used on Blend-In-Cup units. On-screen options vary by screen. Please see the picture for the UI screen reference names. The MR7 plastic overlay or the Common Controller glass screen. To begin, power the unit off using the switch located on the left side of the unit and unplug. Place an empty bucket under the drain if necessary. Remove the two Phillips head screws that secure the top rear panel and set the panel aside. To remove the mounting bracket that contains the power supply, relays, and SRB, remove the screw that secures the mounting bracket to the unit. Slightly lift the bracket, releasing the right side hinge, then carefully lower the bracket down towards the lower refrigerated cabinet. Mark the position of the motor on the mounting bracket by marking a line along the edge of the motor onto the mounting bracket. Locate the two hex head bolts that secure the Hall effect sensor bracket to the shaver motor mounting bracket. Completely remove the two bolts that secure the Hall effect sensor mounting bracket to the motor mounting bracket. Move the Hall effect sensor bracket aside. Loosen the two bolts that secure the motor to the mounting bracket. Push the motor towards the front of the unit to disengage the ice shaver belt. Carefully remove the old ice shaver belt. Install the new ice shaver belt over the pillow block pulley and the ice shaver motor pulley. Locate the line marking the motor position on the mounting bracket and move the motor back into place. While holding the motor in position, tighten the two bolts to secure the motor to the motor mounting bracket. Gently push on the center of the belt between both pulleys. The belt should deflect about 1/4 to 3/8 inches. Confirm the end of the Hall effect sensor is 1/16 inch or 1.6 millimeters from the edge of the bracket. Install the Hall effect sensor bracket assembly to the motor mounting bracket using the two bolts. Verify the wire restraint with grounding wire has been secured with the left bolt. Confirm the end of the Hall effect sensor did not shift and is still 1/16 inch or 1.6 millimeters from the edge of the sensor bracket. Apply dielectric grease to the Hall effect sensor if necessary. Lift the bracket containing the power supplies and SRB back into place. Verify the bracket hinges are seated fully into the slots in the frame of the unit. Reinstall the screw that secures the SRB and power relay mounting bracket to the unit. Plug unit in and power on. Test the ice shaver belt has been installed correctly by running the ice motor and observing the ice shaver belt operates correctly and is secure. To begin testing, place a container in the ice dispense area to collect ice from the dispense test. For MR7 screens, from the Easy Touch screen, press Manager menu. Press A, then the green check. Press the down arrow. Press Service. Press A, then the green check. Press Outputs. Press the down arrow. Change the ice motor state to On. Observe ice shaver belt operation. Wait 10 seconds and change ice motor state to off. Press the back arrow to return to the Easy Touch screen. For Common Controller screens, start at the Easy Touch and press Service. Press A, then the green check. Press Outputs. Scroll down and change ice motor state to On. Observe the ice shaver belt operation. Wait 10 seconds, then change ice motor state to off. Press back arrow to return to Easy Touch screen. Next, perform ice calibration. For MR7 screens, from Easy Touch screen, press the Manager menu. Press A, then the green check. Press Configure Slots. Press Calibrate Flavor. Press Ice. Follow the on-screen instructions, and when complete, press the back arrow to return to the Easy Touch screen. For Common Controller screens, to perform ice calibration, from the Easy Touch screen, press Settings, press A, then the green check, press Configure Slots, press Calibrate Flavor, press Ice, Follow the on-screen instructions. Press the back arrow to return to the Easy Touch screen. After ice calibration, confirm operation by making a small, medium, and large drink to confirm ice dispense operation. Correct issues if necessary. Reinstall the top rear panel and secure with the 2 screws. Remove bucket and move unit into place. Verify drain is connected correctly. Make several drinks with the manager present to confirm operation. For further assistance, contact Multiplex at 844-724-2273.